Do you need to reconcile nominal accounts in Sage 200? Sage doesn't do this, but luckily, Excelerator comes to the rescue. You can use this to reconcile large volumes of online transactions against receipts from credit card companies, payroll expenses against payments, or any other control account. Let's begin. To start, we log in. Let's use the pre-built Excel template. Right-click and browse Account Reference and choose the nominal code to reconcile. Choose New for a new nominal reconciliation, or choose Adjust to adjust an existing reconciled session. For now, we will choose New. Now select the transactions to be reconciled. Click Add Selected and then click OK. The transactions have been downloaded to the spreadsheet. With Excelerator, reconciling nominal transactions is a piece of cake. Highlight the allocated amount of the transactions to be allocated. Right-click and then choose Allocate. Just like that, they have been allocated against each other. Ensure that the sum of the allocated amount is 0. If it's not, then adjust the amounts accordingly. Click Validate to validate your data. Now click on Save to Sage and it's done. You have successfully reconciled your nominal transactions. Now let's use the Spreadsheet Designer to create a custom template. Click the Designer button. In the Designer, all standard Sage fields are available. Enter the number of rows needed. Now we'll add fields to the spreadsheet. We will add the account reference, department, cost center, session ID, user, nominal reconciliation date, reference, transaction ID, outstanding amount, debit, credit, allocated amount, source, transaction date, and transaction narrative. The template is now ready to go. Let's adjust a previous allocation. Start by clicking the Download button. Choose the allocation you want to adjust and then click OK. The transactions have been downloaded. Now adjust the amounts in the debit and credit columns, ensuring the sum of the allocated amount is 0. Click on Validate and then Save to Sage. The nominal transactions have now been adjusted and reconciled. If you wish to undo the allocation, you can also unallocate the amounts. Select the allocated amounts and then right-click. Now click on Unallocate and finally click Save to Sage. How easy was that? You can now create and adjust Sage 200 nominal reconciliations right from your spreadsheet using Excelerator. Ask us more now on our live chat on our website or get in touch today at 020-88-610-610 and let us help you and take your accounting and ERP systems to the next level. Thanks for watching. To see more of us, click here or click here. Connect with us on LinkedIn and X to stay updated with the latest news, and you can also contact us by emailing sales@codis.co.uk. And for more information, visit our website codis.co.uk.